Hey folks, Adam here from Elite Demonstrations. We're about to check out these fantastic, they're an LED light for your vehicle. We're talking 20,000 lumens, 120 watts, and they're going to drastically improve the way you see things at night. Now this are 6,000K, which means it's an ultra bright, clear light, a white light that's going to be projecting out of your vehicle. So Amy picked up this Jeep probably less than a year ago, but it had really dim headlights. So we wanted to replace it with something more energy efficient, an LED bulb, something that is going to really open up and illuminate the area. And we're gonna show you the time-lapse installation. It really only took a couple minutes. You just plug out the old bulb, screw it in the back, plug it back in, and you're good to go. So on top of all of that, they're energy efficient, they're durable, they're long lasting. The LED technology is second to none. So we're gonna show you that. Then we're also going to show you the before and the after. We're gonna do that as an overlay as well, to see the difference that these products make in their overall quality and your clear image that you're gonna get in front of your vehicle. Absolutely astounding difference. You're gonna love it. Now it's crystal clear white light. And if you haven't had something like this, you'll realize as soon as you get it how easy this is to install. It's something that practically anyone can do, and it only takes minutes to just go ahead, screw them in, plug them in, and you just hook it up with the product that you have with the listing. So, my name is Adam from Elite Demonstrations. The importance here is your safety. As you get older, you can't see things as clearly. As cars get older, their lamps dim, the headlights dim, you need to replace out those old bulbs, particularly on an older vehicle that's getting not nearly as many lumens. I wouldn't be surprised if this was previously getting about 6,000 lumens, and now we're up to 20,000, which means that we can actually see what's in front of us, and that makes a world of difference. All right, folks, my name is Adam from Elite Demonstrations. We only show you the best of the best so you can forget the rest, and this is an absolutely fantastic product. The one thing that I do want to stress is the company, okay? The company itself has been doing this. They've been doing lights and LED technology for a long period of time. They care about their brand and their reputation. And the reputation means that they're not gonna have products that you have to return. They're gonna make sure you get the right fitting part, and they have your back in every situation. All right, folks, go ahead and check it out and stick around. We've got the up close portion of the video. But if you're looking for something that's easy to install, straightforward, smart, sophisticated, stylish, and chic, this is the product for you. It's gonna be easy to set up and good to go without a word to say. All right, folks, I'm Adam from Elite Demonstrations. Stick around for our up close portion of the video. Again, let me show you the before. We've already showed this, but one more time, the before and the after. Tremendous difference. Goodbye, my friends. All right, folks. Car work box. This is a car lamp LED. It says a small change, happy journey. So we're gonna go ahead and open up, see what's in the box. This is our up close portion of the video. Looks like we've got her open here. Everyone likes to see what things look like when they come right out the box. Try not to touch lights and things before we install them. Make sure we're not getting any grease on them, anything. You can get a good look at them up close. Wow, they've really put some technology into here. It's gonna go into her 1995 Jeep Wrangler. Amy picked it up as a little gift to herself. A really fantastic vehicle. And yeah, this is great. It's got the fan there to keep it cool. And this thing is gonna be, I think it's 20,000 lumens, a very energy efficient and powerful bulb, and I'm very excited about it. So folks, you're gonna wanna pick this up. Fantastic products. Again, LED car lamp that you're absolutely gonna love. I'm Adam from Elite Demonstrations. Don't you dare miss it. This is fantastic. Very excited about it. Goodbye, my friends.